my dear students. Today we will discuss physical and chemical changes. This is standard 7 and this is chapter 5. Okay, so you can watch this video and you can get your all question answer from this video. Okay, let's go to the first time to answer. We'll do first time to answer, then we'll do one by one your textbook question with answer. Okay, so write true and false. A new substance is formed in physical change. No, false. So a chemical change is reversible change. False. A physical change is temporary change. True. A burning of wood is a physical change. False. Digestion of food is an example of chemical change. True. Okay. Then circle the correct word among the two given in bold to make a meaningful sentence. Crystallization is a physical change. Salty water slows, speeds up the process of rusting. Then coating iron objects with oil prevents rusting. So rusting makes iron object weak. Okay, then now come to the your textbook question answer. So in this video you just pause this video and write your answer. Okay, so first is crystallization is a physical change. Rusting of iron requires both air and water. Then lime water turns milky when carbon dioxide gas is passed through it. Okay, then D number question. When an iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate solution and kept undisturbed for an hour, then a brown layer deposit on the nail. Okay, brown layer deposit in the nail on the nail. Then crystal of a pure substance are obtained by the process of what? Crystallization. Then which of the following will get most affected by air and moisture? Iron. Then come to the complete the question equations given below. So magnesium plus oxygen क्या हो जाता है? Magnesium oxide. So magnesium oxide plus water, then magnesium hydroxide. So copper sulfate plus iron, iron sulfate plus copper, then carbon dioxide plus lime water, calcium carbonate and water. These are the your chemical equations. Okay. Then next, this is true and false. True and false. Burning of paper is a physical change. False. This is chemical change. Okay. Then during a physical change, no new substance is formed. True. So rusting of iron can be prevented by wrapping iron articles in newspaper. False. Then a stretching of a rubber band is a physical change. True. Then energy is always released during a physical change. False. Iron objects can rust if exposed only to water, not air. Then dissolving sugar in water is a chemical change. False. Okay. Then rust falls of the surface of iron object and exposes the iron surface beneath to air and moisture. True. Then very short type and long question answer type I will write in this page. You can pause this video and write your answer. Okay, so this is a very short answer type question. So give an example of a physical change. So melting of wax is an example of physical change. The next question is, what type of change is digestion of food? Digestion of food is a chemical change. Okay, then what is formed when vinegar is added to baking soda? Carbon dioxide, sodium acetate and water is formed when vinegar is added to baking soda. Then D, what are the two conditions essential for the roasting of iron? Air and water are the two conditions essential for the roasting of iron. What is stainless steel made up of? Stainless steel made up of iron, nickel, and chromium. So, what is the galvanization? The process of coating a thin layer of other metals which are more resistant to air and moisture, like zinc and chromium, on the surface of articles by passing electric current is called galvanization. Okay. This is iron. Okay, this is iron. Then define crystallization. The process of obtaining crystals of a pure substance from their saturated solution is called crystallization. Okay. Then how can rusting of iron articles be prevented? Rusting of iron can be prevented by coating the iron surface with grease or oil. The next, by painting the surface of iron articles. The next question, why do ships get damaged in spite of being painted? Ships are made up of iron and a part of them remains in sea all the time. Sea water contains many salts. Salty water speeds up the process of rusting. It is for this reason that ships suffer a lot damage from rusting in spite being painted. Spite being painted. Then distinguish between physical and chemical changes. So this is physical change, this is chemical change. The changes that involve a change in the physical property of a substance are called physical changes. So chemical changes, the chemical changes that involve a change in the composition and chemical properties of a substance are called chemical changes. The next question, for example, melting of ice, stretching of a rubber band, etc. इसका example, for example, ripening of fruits, burning of wood, cooking of food, etc. The next question, long answer type question. So, what is rust? How is it formed? Rust is a brown flaky layer that is formed on the surface of iron objects that are left exposed to moist air. Rust is also called hydrated iron oxide. Okay, hydrated iron oxide. Then iron plus oxygen and water plus water, then it is rust by hydrated iron oxide. Water and oxygen are the essential component necessary to form rust. Air and moisture eat away the iron to form rust, which makes iron objects weak and ultimately useless. So the layer of rust formed fall from the surface of the rusted object, exposing fresh iron metal to moist air, which again starts rusting. Then B number question. Any doubt you can comment me in the description, comment in the comment box. When an iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate solution, the blue color of the solution changes to green and a brown color layer gets deposited on the iron nail. The blue colored solution of copper sulfate changes to green in color. This is because iron sulfate, a new substance, is formed. The brown deposit on the iron nail is copper, which is another new substance. The formation of new substance shows that it is a chemical change. Okay. Then come to the next question, that is C. What is the question? With the help of an experiment, explain that the burning of a magnesium ribbon is a chemical change. So following activity explains that burning magnesium ribbon is a chemical change. What is the experiment? Now we can. So take a piece of magnesium ribbon and clean its surface with sandpaper. Hold it with a pair of tongs over a burning flame. The magnesium ribbon burns with a bright white light and leaves behind powdery ash after burning. This ash is magnesium oxide. It is a new substance which is a characteristic feature of a chemical change. Okay, so this is end. So if you like this video, then make a comment, write comment, and if any doubt, so you can give the comment into the comment box. Or if you want any chapters video of your other books, you can message me on the comment box. I'll make that video. Okay, thank you.